One day, I was coming home and going down my street, I saw my neighbor changing out the running boards on his truck. And so I talked to him and found out he was in town for that day only to get his COVID test and was going to be gone for the next 4 months. So I swapped him a little help for this amazing bus tour. So join me on this journey. Let's get started. So yeah, man, I'm here with my neighbor. He's got an Allegro bus.
Allegro bus.
Allegro bus.
45 OPP.
Don't ask him how much it costs because you don't want to know. So just say it's fun.
House.
Yeah, more than his first house, especially here in Utah. So, but worth it. This thing is pretty cool.
Flip a U-turn.
You in the bus.
Oh.
And this would be scary with anyone else driving.
He parked his semi
right where you wanted it.
Too far forward. Darn it.
Do you know this guy then?
Yeah, he lives just down the street.
Who?
Yeah, he pulled. I needed to be right where he was at.
Ah, dang.
So we gotta go up here and turn around.
Okay, let's do it.
Don't you love
get a little driving, right?
The panorama window.
Oh yeah, it's amazing, man. Look at this panorama, guys. This is cool.
That is the ultimate high definition screen.
That is like way high definition.
5 feet by 6 feet, or by 8 feet, excuse me.
And we got the sunset in the corner there, which is pretty cool.
So we're going to do a roundabout in the roundabout.
One of the reasons that my friendly neighbor does not want to be filmed is because he may have a secret alias that we can't like give you.
Every December
he has this secret alias, and so that was his one stipulation. Let's go have some fun, but I can't be on video. Can't break that secret identity.
Very much appreciated.
Absolutely. You make your own guesses as to what that means. So
we'll have to work on that laugh a little bit, but
yeah, he's kind of out of practice. The COVID year didn't really help very much, so. But you know what? He's really good at fishing and camping and stuff now, so it's all good.
Fish in Alaska.
That's right.
Been to North Pole, Alaska.
Have you?
99705.
Just up by Fairbanks, right?
Yep. That's the zip code, 99705.
You hear that, guys? In case you were wondering, that's where you send the letters.
And Disneyland may be the happiest place on earth, but I live at the merriest place.
That's right. Heck yes. He's visiting, though, so thank goodness he has a lot of houses. I mean, when you're that guy, you can afford it. Hear the air jacks? He's got the air jacks going. And man, I wish I had this on my little RV trailer. Okay, level, right?
No, it'll take it a little bit.
Ah, well, hey, you don't have to do anything else, so that's pretty good.
You just wait.
See, and it's pretty cool. It's got the rear view mirror, which is helpful. It's got the other rear view mirror, side view mirror. What is that? Is that lane assistant?
Cameras.
No, so I know. Lane assistant and rear view mirror.
And then this is also radio, a media center, Sirius XM, Bluetooth. You can bring up GPS if you want.
That's pretty cool.
We're in the Peachtree this weekend.
This is ham radio, folks.
You're the only ham I know.
Pork and beans, man. Pork and beans.
We're just finishing up leveling the bus out.
It's got an electronic level display instead of one of those
And
bubbles.
we've got to move that front bubble just a little bit and the center bubble just a little bit. So it'll be just about another minute.
What are all these dials right here?
So this is for a solar shade. So when you're driving,
Okay.
if the sun is in your eyes,
Boom. Solar shades.
you can have a visor.
So.
Or you can bring it all the way down if there's bright sun coming in the front window and that cuts that down.
Really?
You have it on both sides as well. And then
That's
behind
pretty
it,
cool.
you have a night privacy shade.
Oh man, so you can sleep any time of the day.
Well, so you're not flashing the neighbors.
So that too, that would be good.
Over here, I've added a TPMS sensor since it wasn't built in. Plus, I've got 4 tires on the rear trailer.
Wow.
There's a booster in the back that actually connects the 4 on the trailer to this unit. And then right now, I'm only showing 6 on the coach. I've got to buy 2 more to put 2 on the tag axle.
Cool.
And we're done. So now the fun starts.
Absolutely. So he's opened up the side extensions, the slide out. It's like, why can't I think of what that's called, right? So that's
Let me get the other one.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay, let me get around you there. Okay, so this is the other one. He's going to show.
You have to be very careful about is not leaving stuff on cupboards and surfaces that can slide off.
Absolutely.
You're driving.
Absolutely. Well, he's going to show us the full power of this fully operational battle station. So this is the bedroom slide out. Is there 2 slide outs in the bedroom or just the
There
one?
are 2.
There's 2 in the
Also, there are
bedroom.
2 fireplaces.
What the heck? Okay, I think this is nicer than my house officially, so just so you know. This is the other slide out in the bedroom with the fireplace and everything. We'll go a little further into this here in a minute.
So this is basically our energy management system. As you can see, I've started the generator, power going through the transfer switch to the breakers, and it's actually charging our house batteries and chassis
That
batteries.
is so cool.
Here's where we did the slide outs. Here is where we do all of the shades.
The ones in the front.
All of the ones in the front. This is our locks for the entry door, the bay door. This is our bed lift.
Ooh. That is cool. So it's like a sleep number almost.
What it is it's a memory foam, but we put a 3-inch topper from Tempur-Pedic on there.
Really?
And go to the home button. If you'll look behind you, there's the Televator.
So there's the Televator, people. That's pretty cool, huh?
Now, the coolest feature is what we'll show you next.
Ooh.
Power button, then search, and you're going to hear a motor start in the back of the coach.
It's like an old, modem back in the day.
That is actually automatic dish finder.
Okay, that makes sense.
So that will actually, in 3 to 4 minutes, lock in
the signal for the
perfect
satellite.
signal for the Dish Network satellite. As you can hear it going, let me get one other. We have one more TV, and this is the new addition that we added.
Ooh, so this is
The one
a
that was in here was good,
aftermarket one.
but we had this 55-inch OLED that we decided to put in.
You're not spoiled at all.
Well, and there's also a television there in the front, as you saw.
Whoa.
One in the bedroom, one here, and there's one hidden under a door outside for your outside enjoyment.
So you got the outdoor kitchen and everything?
Not the well, I have a Weber grill, and I have an induction plate that goes back there too. But I opted to do my own because I could do it much better.
Yeah, it makes sense.
Here's our residential refrigerator. I want to give one of these to Donnie.
Thanks, man.
These are the best
Appreciate
apples
that.
you will
He
ever
who
eat.
shall not be mentioned.
Now, if the engine were running, these pantries wouldn't open. If the engine is running, you just push that button.
And then it latches open. That's the
So you've got a
pantry.
pantry here.
Ooh.
Another one here.
Sad they're bigger than my pantry.
And then this is to be really spoiled.
There's the second pantry.
This is to be really spoiled. This is the dishwasher.
Nice.
And if you need a little extra counter space,
There's your
you
countertop.
can bring the counter out.
Hell yeah, baby.
Oh, you have to pop that little switch again to put it back in.
Right.
Hi, Claudia.
Hey.
You're on camera. You're on camera.
You are now. He didn't say anything about her being filmed, so you won't know who she is.
That's Mrs. Claus.
Oh, the cat's out of the bag now. So this is the half bath
When you
said?
travel, you put everything in the sink.
Yeah, absolutely. That's just kind of how it works with the traveling biz and stuff.
And then we'll go back.
Yeah, that's Daryl's.
Oh, you guys are twins.
You're not
Yeah.
supposed to say names.
This is the fireplace that he was talking about. Looks pretty cool. Does it actually keep it warm?
Yeah.
Very.
So
Too warm?
Now, actually, the heated floors,
Oh, yeah.
the last few nights when we were down in southern Utah, Nephi, we didn't have to have the furnaces on because it kept everything warm enough.
Oh, there's the televator again.
Put it back up so I can turn it on.
Alrighty.
She's just having fun with the televator. She just wants
Love
to
it. No.
make it go up and down.
Let's see if the satellites found it.
Oh, the Masked Singer.
So there's live TV. And then I do know why I don't have live TV. We need to go in. See if I have to do a test installation. Yep, it'll do the check on that and then it'll...
Yeah, I totally get that part. This is the dish. It's pointing itself. You can see it like self-aligning and everything up there.
I think it's... There we go. It's lower.
So it's actually aligning itself. He doesn't have to do anything except for have it do its thing, which is amazing.
So here are your sinks. We keep them protected because they're tempered glass. People have had them actually
Break
explode
and
on
stuff.
them.
Explode.
Yeah, tempered glass won't just break. It'll just fracture.
Yeah.
The running boards
You took them off.
with Donnie's help.
Yeah, I figured I earned the tour, so you know.
So
So this is the shower.
this is the shower, and it's actually big enough that I can fit in there myself. And as I told you earlier, it's tied to the Aqua Hot system. You get electric heat to heat water, but that's the electric heat's mainly for the heated floors. If you're going to take a long shower or something, then what you need to do is turn the diesel portion of that on. Very efficient. It only burns about maybe a third of a gallon an hour for hot water. Quite an amazing unit. This is a special commode or john. It's called a macerator. So basically what there is there is a high-speed chopping mechanism in there that whatever goes down, it just literally macerates, that you could pump it out with a garden hose. That's how far it
Whoa,
becomes.
that's pretty cool.
And then the last thing is, here is the closet. Little giveaway on the color of some of the shirts there.
Right.
And no motorhome would be complete without a full-size washer and dryer.
Woo! Those are pretty cool.
And they actually work wonderful.
That's good. You just popped a button and it unlocked the doors. Oh, wow. This is your ice chest?
It's a freezer.
It's a freezer. Okay, that makes sense.
I'll just slide it out. Keep it nice and cold.
That's awesome. Yeah, these are really nice cold Coke there.
Close it. Push it back in. So these are two are storage bays. The third is a storage.
Do they go all the way through?
They do. And
Oh, and they power out?
power out.
Hell yeah. That's the way it's done.
So you're not always having to bend under there.
Oh, no.
I have an extra dish in case we're blocked. I can set one up.
Put it out on the lawn or whatever.
Then I got a 100-foot cable.
That's good. Woo.
This is your access door to the back of your freezer.
So that's the freezer door right there. So this is the outdoor TV. It's got a powered hatch and everything, huh?
Plus you're on tape.
I didn't go on any tape.
So there's your outdoor.
That is pretty cool.
Now, one other thing that you can do is you close that door.
So it's power closed too. He's using a remote control.
Lights you can turn on and off.
That is pretty cool. You should see how much of a pain it is to put our awning up in our little trailer.
Well, this is what they call glamping. It's not camping.
That's right. This is definitely glamping for sure.
These are the chassis batteries. This is
Hey, let's do the Tim Allen grunt.
So this actually works very, very well.
That is pretty cool. And he's safety conscious.
Yes, I mounted that yesterday.
Oh, there you go.
Yes, I put that in myself.
That is awesome.
Dun, 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 dun. That
Aqua
is the
Hot.
Aqua Hot system.
That is sweet. That's the one that just keeps giving you hot water, right?
Hot water, and it also heats the glycol from the floors.
That is so cool.
This is the wet bay. That on the Tiffins are actually heated. So when you're camping in the cold, as we have been for the first 2 nights that we slept in this, it was 17 degrees.
Woo!
And we did not have to do anything because the furnace actually keeps the bays heated.
That's amazing.
Here's some of the storage from the other side.
That is cool.
The 2 trays again.
Because those are passed through, like you said.
The 2 trays again. Then here are the house batteries.
Oh, that's sick.
Hydraulic pump to run the lifts and to run the hydraulic slides. The 2 front slides are hydraulic, the 2 rear are electric.
That is cool.
And last but not least, main board. And one of the coolest features.
Oh, the engine compartment comes open?
This is the generator.
That's the generator right there? That's amazing. That's a big generator, man. I'd like to thank my neighbor again for his time and showing me this amazing vehicle that he's purchased. Hopefully he enjoys his travels and we'll catch him maybe in December. Who knows? Anyway, thank you for joining me again. And please, if you haven't subscribed to Video Recon, please do so and share this video and like it. It would really help me a lot. And we'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.